What's up guys, how you doing? It's Moz and welcome to my unboxing of the iPad 3 mini. So let's get into it. Obviously this has been through many hands before me since I think the iPad mini is about 10 months old at this point. So we've got the 16 gig space grey Wi-Fi cellular version. So there you go, pretty boring on the back, pretty boring on the front to be honest with you. So look at this iPad mini. Let's get into it. Ooh, that is rather nice. Okay, let's get this out, put it to the side, make a hash of everything. Yep, there we go. So of course we've got the lightning connector cable, which is pretty cool. I haven't actually seen one of these yet. Shock horror. And the plug, there we go. I doubt there'll be any Apple stickers in here, but here we go. There's a SIM eject tool. All that stuff. And that'll be it, won't it? Yeah, that'll be it. Right, let's have a go. Wow, it's really nice. It is really, really nice. Okay, let's power it on. The screen's absolutely lovely. Of course, it's got that Touch ID feature as well. The screen's really nice. I like how the bezels just shine because they're kind of curved a bit. It's quite nice. Quite nice. Hola. Hello. That's how I say it anyway. Hello. Screen's lovely. I keep saying. So I'm going to try and quickly and get this going. Okay. I'm going to use the mobile connection for now. Obviously this is on the Vodafone network. So there you go. Enable location. Nah. God, that text was so tiny there in that little pop-up. Setup was new iPad. Skip this. Oh, it's always a nightmare. I'll do it later. Right. Agree. Ooh, let's set up the Touch ID, shall we? Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's the first time I've ever done this. Probably doing it at the wrong angle, but never mind. It's pretty amazing how it can get all that detail. Can it really get all that detail? Just one more bit. Adjust your grip. Whatever. I think Touch ID could just take too long by the looks of things here. There we go. Create a passcode. Why not? Hold on. Two seconds, guys. Sorry about that. Use Siri, don't use Siri, why not? Whatever, yeah. I really don't care. Let's just ooh. Oh, that screen. Wow. That is really, really quite nice. On the old internet. Google. Really not liking the new Google logo. But you know, that's just me. What's behind this one? Well, it's really quick on the 4G Vodafone network, so quickly tap on that. Wow. I've got to say, it really does look absolutely fantastic. I can imagine reading on this device would be really quite pleasurable. I'm kind of just going on a bit of a random search here. Let's go back. Let's try the Touch ID. Yeah, see, I don't think I'd be arsed with it, to be honest. Anyway, guys, keep it locked to the channel. Plenty more videos coming up on the iPad 3, iPad Mini 3, rather. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.